Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies easily and quickly. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of softened unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. Also, grab 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Finally, 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips will complete our list. This recipe is truly straightforward. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. With your dough ready, it's time for the star ingredient. Gently fold in 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet, milk, or even dark chocolate chips, whatever you prefer. Now, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto an ungreased baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake these beauties in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Look for golden edges and centers that are still slightly soft for that perfect chewy texture. Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set up and prevents them from breaking when you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. These warm, freshly baked chocolate chip cookies are absolutely irresistible, especially with a cold glass of milk. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Enjoy your quick and easy homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.